Clock tick slow past 12. World asleep, me by myself. Moon watch quiet from above. Nighttime speaking language love. After midnight, truth come out. When I sleep and doubt calm down. Street light hum, dog them bark. Roots music echo in a dark. Me burn soft, me think deep. Some secret only night can keep. Daytime must fall to ground. Real self finally found. Me see fear clearer in the dark, but me also see the spark. Silence show me where me stand. Which part strong, which part bend. Herb no hype me, herb no rush. It just hush the useless fuss. Me reason with me, shadow side. No more need fi run or hide. Roots after midnight, speak so true. Show me old and show me new. Roots after midnight, calm me soul. Make me broken pieces whole. Oh. No, nah, nah. Me think about choices long gone by. Some still sting, some make me smile. If me change them, me change me now. So me not done, let them be. Smooth drift like passing thought. Teach me nothing really lost. Everything return one day. Just not always same way. Me hear down far upon the line. Birds soon test them vice in time. 9 prepare for let me go, but leave me wiser than before. Roots grow strongest out of sight. Deep inside, far from light. So me thank the dark and stay until sun came back today. Night no evil, night no wrong. It just helps you listen long. When you sit and truly see, dark reveal reality. Roots after midnight, speak so true. Show me old and show me new. Roots after midnight, calm me soul. Wake me broken pieces whole. Oh. No, nah, nah. Sun edge up me stand window. Nighttime lesson fully brew. Me step forward calm and clean. Carry roots from where me be.
Dust pan show, sun pan skin. Me step out slow, breathe in. Old road call me name again. Story start where it begin. Me walk path when no sign them show. Elders mark it long time ago. Cracking stone, roots in sand. Truth never need neon sign. Every mile teach me more. Pain and joy share same door. Me carry smoke, me carry thought. Some lesson can't be bought. Me see the city flash and shout, but them light quick burn out. All road quiet, all road voice of faith. No GPS, they guide me soul. Just inner voice take control. Old road knowledge, deep and strong. Guide me when the night feel long. Old road knowledge, stay with I. More than gold, money buy. Exchange or not. Some teach me more than holy book. Share the spliff, share the laugh. Different paths, same aftermath. Me learn, listen more than talk. Watch the crow, watch the ark. Nature write the realest verse. Blessing hide inside the curse. Me see me youth self in the dust. Full of dream, I'm blind trust. Wish me could one, but life must show. Every man have to walk him road. So me chant for guidance clear. Not to remove the pain or fear, but to gain the strength to stand. When truth heavy in our hand. Some road straight, some road bend. Some teach start, some teach end. No regret, me overstand. Every step shape the man. Old road knowledge, deep and strong. Guide me when the night feel long. Old road knowledge, stay with I. More than gold, money buy. Sun drop low, me still move slow. Grateful for the road, me know. Old dust still pan me show. Old road truth still guide me through. Sunrise twist through the open door. Fresh breeze whisper upon the floor. Me breathing hope release the fear. Golden steps soon appear. Me see the youth look far and wide. Searching path them can't decide. Roll a spin with worry tight. But me show them spark of light. Ancient wisdom hiding tune. Play it soft or play it soon. Guide the mind like gentle tide. Lead them through the changing ride. Street full of voices day and night. Some are sorrow, some are bright. Me walk slow, me listen deep. Hear the promise life must keep. People stumble, people rise. Hope reflecting weary eyes. Golden steps mark every way. Truth reveal when Riddim play. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. Forward trod with steady stride. Let the wisdom be your guide. Me watch the hillside turn to gold. Like story elders always told. Strength return through season tough. Teach the heart to stay enough.
people join from far and near. Share the blessings, cancel fear. Golden glow cover the land. Warm each heart and every hand. Crowd unite when the nightfall bend. Share the journey without end. Missy mother, hold her child. Calm him with a whisper mild. Missy elder, smile again. Free at last from hidden pain. Golden steps rise high and clear. Show the pathway we hold dear. Take courage, keep faith. Time will open every gate. No matter how the worries stay, tomorrow find a brighter way. Golden steps of tomorrow shine. Lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong. Keep the youths them moving long. March together, hand in hand. Build a future, feed the land. Golden steps, pure and true. Lift the spirit, true and true. When the nights I feel too long, sing the golden morning song. Step by step, we rise again. Walk the path beyond the pain. Drums are knocking at the twilight breeze. Lion heart move gentle like the seas. Bassline hum soft on the moon so bright. Calling the spirit fi rise tonight. Me step on the earth with steady mind. Every footstep search fi peace fi find. The world a race but me choose slow pace. Hold the truth and guard the sacred space. Storms may roll but me roots run deep. Through darkest hour, Jah blessings keep. Not a crown me chase, nor a throne me need. Just pure vibration, soul run free. Me see the elders reasoning wise. Teach the youth fi open up them eyes. Them say patience shape a stronger man. Hold firm to purpose, follow Jah plan. The system try distract me head, but clarity shine where hope is spread. Me chant for the ones who walk alone, to remind them strength still carve them home. Golden roots rising through the night. Guide each spirit into light. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every heartbeat start to sing. Golden roots growing wide and strong. Carry the people all along. One bright flame we hold inside. Spread the warmth through every stride. Me hold a vision clear and tall. Unity break every wall. Me see smiles return in bitter times, and courage echo in hidden rhymes. The ground beneath me feel alive. Push me forward, help me thrive. Even when shadows closing tight, hope still whisper to stand up bright. Children paint dreams in glowing shade, more colorful than what history made. Me see the future in them eyes, a brighter dawn where soon will rise. Drum beat lift them step again. Wash them sorrow, ease them pain. Me chant for joy, for reign supreme. Turn each moment into dream. Hold on steady, keep your fire. Let it guide your heart much higher. Every soul a priceless gem. Jah love cradle, all of them. No division, no despair. Only truth flow through the air. Golden roots rising through the night. Guide each spirit into light. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every heartbeat start to sing. Golden roots growing wide and strong. Carry the people all along. Golden roots forever bright. Turn the darkness into light. When the nightfall whisper low, let your natural essence glow. Golden roots keep holding you till morning sun come shining through. Na na na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Oh, 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 oh. Early breeze touch me face slow. Sunrise soft, the world still low. Me light the fire, me calm my mind. Ancient thoughts come drifting time. Me see them rush for silver and fame. Lose them soul inna the game. Me choose the quiet, me choose the truth. Herb and meditation shape me youth. Smoke curl eye like prayer go. Me sip life from a humble cup. No crown pan head, but me walk tall. Jah voice whisper through it all. Babylon chat, but me no reply. Me eyes open, them can't blind eye. Every puff slow down the race. Me learn patience, me learn grace. Book and urban Riddim play. Teach me more than words them say. Me burn not fi escape pain. Me burn fi overstand the chain. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream. Me reason with me brethren deep. Some laugh loud, some barely speak. Every story carries scar. Every man know who them are. Smoke unite the mind them wide. Ego drop, no place for pride. No preach upon no golden throne. Just life lesson fully grown. Me see the moon reflect panting. Same light shine from deep within. Night cool, me heart still warm. Herb keep me calm in every storm. Me now worship the smoke alone. Me worship truth, me overstand. Plant a seed, give thanks, move slow. Let Jah work, let wisdom grow. Slow fire, steady flame. No rush life, no chase name. Every breath, a sacred sign. Everything come right on time. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream. One-na-na, one-na-na, one-na-na. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure
sharpen me dream. When the ash falls soft to ground, silence speak without a sound. Me rise lighter than before. Wisdom knock, me open the door.
Ganja and reggae, yeah man. Me feel the heat rise from me skin, fire burn deep within. Me no burn for hate or fame, me burn for Jah name. Every spark of prayer, me know Jah the near. Zion flame eternal bright, light up the night. Them try to cool the flame of love, but it rise from above. Me no need no gasoline, just spirit clean. Babylon fear the chant me sing, cause truth when me bring. Them build wall fi divide, but Jah the inside. Me burn illusion, burn disguise. Open eyes, me burn corruption, greed and lie. Under Jah sky, fire purify me heart, set me apart. Deep me feel no pain, wash me chin. Pull it on, me look round, see suffer spread, but Rasta never dread. Me share my fire for the coal, me story told. The youth a light the flame again, free from chains. Zion fire guide them home, never alone. Me burn for justice true, me burn for you. The world can't sleep in the dark, me ignite the spark. No power stronger than Jah will be still. This flame never fade, righteous made it. Jah in a Zion blaze, light the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore, Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion, I reach the sky. Burn away the wrong, keep we strong. Me remember the stories told by the elders bold. Them say fire teach respect, keep mind correct. So me guard my flame like crown, never put down it warm the poor man night. Pure delight, me see them try for dim my spark, still me mark. Every rhythm me chant at night, guided light, me flame no weapon of war. It heals scar, burn away the hate. Open gate, me sit by the river edge. Make me pledge my fire for truth, not fame. Jah name, them ask why you still burn. Me say me still learn. Fire reveal what's real. Jah seal. Me light it up for the world to see. Freedom for we. No fireman can cool this flame. All Jah name. We try in a Zion blade, light the world in righteous ways. From the hills to the shore, Jah love explore. Fire in a Zion, I reach the sky. Burn away the wrong, keep us strong. So when my spirit gone, the fire live on. Zion blaze eternal bright, guide will light, will light, will light. Just speak every new day. Me give praise, Jah ways. Me rise up strong, me heart clean. Me live me dream. No worry, no yet me whole. Me spirit gold. Me see the sun bless the land. Work with Jah and love shine bright like beam. Me supreme, me step through streets with smile. See a while people greet me with respect, no neglect. Golden morning, making song, nothing wrong. Me know Jah plan, secure, that's for sure. Golden morning, pure delight, shine bright. Me no take darkness for friend, light transcend, every sorrow fade away. New day, golden time, divine design, so fine. Golden morning light so true, Jah bless me and you. Golden morning peace me feel, love so real. Golden morning rise again, wash the pain. Golden morning bless the land by Jah hand. So when the night fade out of sight, me hold the light. Golden morning come again, peace remain. Ay, ay, ay. Pen in hand, chalice near, thought them float, vision clear, blank page wait, night feel wide, smoke drifts off side to side. Me write not fi please the crowd, me write fi free what locked inside. Ink and herb create the key, unlock part of me history. Every sentence come from scar, every rhyme show who you are. Me no polish paint to shine, me leave truth between the lines. Them read fast, but them no see. Depth hide under simplicity. Smoke slow, thought them slow. That's how real message grow. Me no chase it on the chart, me chase clarity of art. Some verse rough, some verse clean. Life no always in between. Smoke between the lines, me write. Clear the mind, sharpen sight. Smoke between the lines, reveal all we fake and all we real. Perfection kill express. Truth sometimes stumble out. Stutter shake then find it shout. Me see me passing on me rhyme. Future knock ahead of time. Herb no write the song for me, it just remove the blindfold key. Me share me page with few, not all. Some is deaf when truth too tall, but one soul catch the spark, and that alone light up the dark. Me write for the quiet mind, them who tired of the grind. Smoke fade, words remain. Ink out, live the flame. When the chalice empty dry, still me thought them multiply. No escape, just clarity. Truth write itself through me. Smoke between the lines, me write. Clear the mind, sharpen sight. Smoke between the lines, reveal all we fake and all we real. Smoke between the lines, me write. Smoke between the lines, reveal. Page full now, night grow thin, morning light soon settle in. Me close book but keep the flame. Truth still call me by my name. Zion Reggae, yeah man. High above the clouds so bright. Throne of Zion shine with light. Seat of justice, seat of peace, where the wars and sorrow cease.
of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Stand where prophet voice was heard, echo every holy word. Shine the truth, it shine the flame, lift the soul in Jah true name. No king of man can take the seat, throne of Jah no one defeat. It rule the time, it rule this place, throne eternal, throne of grace. Call the children one by one, say come home, the work is done. Heal the wounded, break the chain, bring the joy, remove the pain. From root to crown, from seed to star, throne of Zion guides so far. Every nation, every land, bow before the holy stand. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Me see the vision in me dream, throne of Zion bright and gleam. It says stay true, don't walk astray, throne will guide you every day. Teach the heart, it teach the soul, Jah creation make us whole. Keep the love, it keep the light, throne of Zion shining bright. When the dawn come round again, throne still stand above the plain. Never shake, it never fall, throne of Jah command it all. From first chant till time is done, throne forever holy one. Seat of love, of peace, of flame, throne eternal, praise Jah name. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. Stand firm, stand tall, throne of Jah above it all. No crown of man, no earthly king, throne of Zion, everything. Throne of Zion, high and grand, rule the world with holy hand. Guide the people, keep them strong, set the righteous path along. From dawn to dusk, from birth to end, throne of Jah forever.
Ay, 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 Stasek and the Rasik. Me hear a drum beat, call me name. Ancient flame, me feel it deep inside me chest. Jah manifest, every tone a heartbeat strong. Me belong. Drum talk through the tongue can say. Night and day, echo bounce cross hill and street. Spirit meet me moving rhythm, steady and sure, me pure. Voice of the drum, no lie. It testify, me see the children sway along to Jah song. Them learn the steps of peace and fire. Lift higher, every strike a prayer send. No end, drum carry message wide across the tide. Voice of the drum, call again, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Me build me rhythm on the ground, sacred sound. Me close me eyes, me vision fly to the sky. Me see ancestors smile. Feel a while, drum beat open the way. Every day when silence fall upon town, me turn it round. Drum call, unity rise, no disguise. Every man and woman here, drop the fear. Voice of the drum me keep in a me sleep. Boom boom, truth in sound, rebirth found. Every hit a prayer call, heal we all. Drum of life, drum of peace, never cease. Voice of the drum, call again, heal the pain. Voice of the drum, speak your truth, guide the youth. So when the night feels still and numb, listen, the drum, it's your heartbeat inside, we abide. Na na na, na 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 na, na na na. Evening breeze on my gentle tongue, calm me spirit from flesh and bone. Sky burn orange, red and blue. Horizon whisper something new. Me stand on cliff and scan the deep. Hear the memories people keep. Voices echo from distant shore. Stories old and plenty more. Me feel a pull from far away. Guide me thought like break of day. Horizon open like a gate. Teach me say the world can't wait. Beneath the clouds them forming slow. Truth appear in subtle glow. People wonder, people roam, trying to find a peaceful home. Me chance up to calm the breeze, lift the world from silent freeze. Hope return like ocean tide, wash the pain from every side. Voice of the horizon call we near, sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon pure and wide, guide the people as them strive. Let it echo through the land, lift up every heart and hand. Night approach with silver gleam, moonlight bless the flowing stream. Me hear laughter from the square, proof say unity still they near. Elders reason bout olden days, youth them follow the brighter ways. Horizon's message travel far, shine like steady evening star. We see our village break the chain, leave behind the secret pain. New beginning come alive, help the weary soul survive. Voices blend as one again, guide the children through the rain. Horizon teach a lesson wise, lift up truth before it dies. Stand tall, hold strong, walk the path where you belong. When confusion cloud the sky, listen close, the truth can't lie. Voice of the horizon call we near, sing away doubt, silence fear. Every corner of the earth, rise again to find rebirth. Voice of the horizon pure and wide, guide the people as them strive. Carry wisdom through the night, turn them shadows into light. Voice of the horizon lead, give the people what them need. If the road feel rough and long, let the horizon be your song. Carry the message soft and free, find the truth meant to be.
Na na na, na na na, na 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 na. Me touch the ground and feel the beat, drum of life beneath me feet. Wind whisper story long before, of elders who opened the door. Me feel the rhythm deep in bone, roots call me home.
Me see the youth lost in a screen. Forget what culture mean, but me still chant ancient song. Keep the roots strong. Jah message no fade. It build like shade. Every tree from seed it grow. Truth we know. Them push the plastic and the lie, but nature never die. Me see the river still flow pure. That me cure. Them concrete cover the land, but just still on. Roots deeper than them plan. Forever man. Roots never die. Them live inside. Stand firm, hold it tight. Roots never die. Them guide the way, night or day. Me dig me healing sacred soil. Rape me toil. Me no need no fancy chain. Me wear rain. Roots whisper wisdom low. Just spirit glow. Every chant me send afar. Shine like star. Me see the lion in a me dream. Hear him scream. Guard the roots and guard the youth. Speak truth. Me wake and write me song. Keep it long. Roots vibration never cease. Bring peace. From the mountain to the sea, just set we free. No matter how Babylon try, them can't deny. Roots live on in every heart. Sacred art, yeah. Roots never die. Them live inside. Stand firm, hold it tight. Roots never die. Them guide the way, night or day. Roots never die. Roots never die.
Na Zion reggae man. Yeah, yeah man. Yeah man, yeah man, yeah man. Me rise up before the break of day. Hear the chant in a distant way. Jah whisper plant the seed today. So me dig the earth and pray. Yeah man. Me feel the sun kiss me brow. That time in always now. Roots of tomorrow start from small. Grow strong and bless them all. Me plan for the youth, for the poor man dream. Me water it with love, me keep it clean. Me see the land dry, but me still sow. Cause me know Jah love make things grow. Every tear that drop in pain turn to blessing, wash this stain. Me chant for the heart them blind, open up them mind. Na 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 na. Me not trust Babylon gold. Me treasure pure and old. The earth speak through the trees, sun live in peace. Me hands dirty with soil of life. Still me free from strife. Each root me touch a prayer. Jah there everywhere. Yeah, me trod through valley of doubt, but me no bow out. Faith on me staff, courage me guide, Jah walk by me side. Me see the people lost in pain, try escape the rain. Me tell them hold on still, Jah have the will, me give me all for the children rise. Me see the truth in a them eyes, them spirit pure, them light divine. The next generation shine, no greed, no war. Me teach only love in reach. Me see the roots connect, me show respect where roots of tomorrow grow. From the love we sow, water it with peace and care. Jah love in the air. Yeah, roots of tomorrow strong. Right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Boy, yeah, yeah, yeah. Me remember my grandmother words, still echo, still hurt. She said, my son, never forget, we reap what we said. So me plant the wisdom deep, even when me weak, the roots twist and bind. Old mankind, Me say the world still fight, me shine me light, me build with faith and hand. Jah bless me land, me chant me psalm at night, till the stars shine bright. Me no need no fame, Jah call me name. Yeah, me hear the thunder roll, test the soul. Me stand still, no shake, Jah no forsake. Every storm just clear the air, make the roots prepare. Tomorrow no come by luck, we build it up. Me look to the sky and smile, walk my mile. Me no worry about the Babylon fall, Jah justice for all. Me no rush the time for come, me chant till it done. Me plant the seed again, for heal the pain. Roots of tomorrow grow, from the love we sow. Water it with peace and care, Jah love in the air. Roots of tomorrow strong, right from wrong, no system can divide. Jah live inside. Oh yeah. So when me gone, me song remain, flow like rain. Roots of tomorrow bloom in every room. Jah light forever shine, all divine.
Na, Rasta is so high, man. Oh, I am on. You're high, man. Me wake before the cock crow, hear the river flow. Jah morning light a bless the earth, the rebirth. Me breathe in peace again, wash away the pain. Morning of Zion rise, beauty fill the skies. Me step out on the grass, do everything new. Me feel Jah presence strong, where me belong. Me stretch me hand to the east, give thanks for feast. Me no worry about tomorrow, no sorrow. Me hear the drum beat start, heal me out, me sing my praise for the dawn. Old pain gone, the light touch my face, sacred place. Jah whisper me name slow, blessings flow. Me walk through the village lane, hear them call me name, Rasta sing for we again. Me lift my pen, me write the song for peace, till war cease. Me chant the words for all, big and small. Me feel the mountain better days for come. Children play in the street, joy complete. Me see the mother's prayer, hope to the morning of Zion glow. Love overflow, yeah. Morning of Zion bright, full of light. Rise up, sing your song, right your wrong. Morning of Zion call, stand tall, let the love unfold. Hearts of gold. See the elder by the gate, talk about faith. Him say son the struggle long, but keep strong. Me nod and smile, me know truth grow. Every dawn a gift, spirit lift. Me walk on the hill so high, touch the sky. Me breathe Jah air pure, me secure. No darkness there, light find way. Morning glowing on my chest, Jah manifest. Me sing till the day complete, love repeat. Me say the market full again, no pain. Me bless the people me meet, smile sweet. Zion morning wide and free, harmony. Me no fear the night return. Me learn every dawn a sign, all divine. Oh yeah, morning of Zion bright, full of light. Rise up, sing your song, right your wrong. Morning of Zion call, stand tall, let the love unfold. Hearts of gold, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So when the sun go down low, me still glow. Morning of Zion remain true, joy and pain. Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae. Through the valley, beneath the ancient moon. Carve a shape, the totem high. Part of spirit touch the sky. Every tree remember name. Part of life remain the same. Babylon road built on sand. Part of ancients bless the land. Everlasting, bold and true. Path of mercy led with you. Heal a walk with staff in hand. Path of ancients heal the land. Every herb and sacred stone teach the flesh the truth alone. Storm may rise but roots them stay. Path of peace still find a way. Every footstep pure and free. Path of Zion victory. Poets sit beside the trail. Path of ancients never fail. Every echo, every song keep the spirit moving strong. No corruption bend the line. Path of justice still divine. Every whisper from the past. Path of love will always last. Warrior lay his burden down. Path of ancients wear the crown. Every fight was not in vain. Path of truth remove the pain. From the mountain to the sea. Path of mercy carry we. Ever pure and ever near. Path of peace remove the fear. Generations chant and learn. Path of ancients still return. Every step a holy vow. Path of wisdom guide us now. Babylon dust may cloud the view. Path of faith still shining true. Everlasting, strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Morning come and voices rise. Path of ancients fill the skies. Never ending, never fall. Path of love unite us all. Every journey bold and true. Path of life renew the crew. Everlasting, pure and free. Path of Jah eternity. Walk side by side. Path of truth, remove the pride. Rise strong and free. Path of Zion victory. Path of ancients wide and pure. Guide the people ever sure. Never breaking, never small. Path of mercy call us all. Forever shining bold and new. Path of life for me and you. Sacred road so strong and free. Path of Zion destiny.
Morning breeze carry the rhythm slow. Every heartbeat tuned to the flow. Me step out steady, mind open wide. Catch the rhythm as it start to glide. From corner shop to the hillside steep. Music echo where the spirits keep. People gather when the drum them call. Big or small, it unite them all. Me Hold the vibes like a sacred flame. Lift up the youth where forget them name. Strength return when the roots tune rise. Glow like dawn in the sleepy skies. Old man hum a forgotten tune. Young blood move to the afternoon. Songs are heal where the world can mend. Every note like a long time friend. Me feel the burden ease off my chest. Soundwave lift me above the rest. Harmony build like a mountain strong. Carry the weary through the day long. Rise up the soundwave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore, feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the soundwave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. One vibration, hold we tight. Guide the path into the light. Yeah. What no no land? Yeah. What no no no. Me hear the market clash with tune. Children dance in the afternoon. Vibes collide but create one line. Steady groove of a holy sign. Voices blend like a woven thread. Lift the living, bless the dead. Me see resilience in every face. Steady steps in a humble pace. Night descend but the spirit stay. No darkness push the sound away. From yard to yard it resonate. Break down wall we divide with faith. Roots musician tune the night. Guide the people back to light. Every beat rebuild the soul. Help the broken become whole. Hold firm, keep strong. Soundwave guide we all along. Through the struggle, through the rain. Music is the hidden pain. Forward steps, steady path. Lift the present, heal the past. Rise up the sound wave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore, feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the sound wave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. Flow through the valley, high and deep. Wake the silent from them sleep. Rise up the sound wave, keep it strong. Carry the people all day long. When the world feel rough and cold, let the sound wave take control. Hold the melody near your chest. Inna the music, find your rest. Na na na. Me step in a garden cool and bright. Blessed sight. Me smell the herb, me feel the peace. Sweet release. Jah in every leaf me see. Harmony. Me plant me seed with love and care. Open ear. Every root, whole life so tight. Pure light. No poison, no greed, me sow. Just grow. Jah Garden Bloom wide and clear. Me draw near. Me see the butterfly and bee work naturally. Them no rush, them flow in tune. Sun and moon, me learn to live same way each day. Jah Garden teach me grace in this place. Jah Garden Bloom, color bright, full of light.
Jah Garden Bloom. Sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden Bloom. Color bright, full of light. Jah Garden Bloom. Sweet and strong, right every wrong. Me share the fruit with me brethren round. Bless sound, me teach the youth fi till the land. By Jah hand, no hunger, no hate me preach. Just reach Jah Garden truth and song. Keep me strong. Me sit and reason with me queen. Peaceful scene, she smile and say life sweet. When heart meet, we build Jah world again, free from pain. Jah Garden bloom forevermore. Love restore, me no war with nature, me flow. Jah know every bloom a scripture clear. We all here, Jah Garden feed the soul, make we whole. Jah Garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden bloom, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden bloom, call and free, oh, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, morning with you, sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah Garden bloom, wide and fear, color bright, full of light. Jah Garden bloom, morning with you, sweet and strong, right every wrong. So when me gone from this earth, remember Jah birth. Plant love, plant truth, inna the youth. Jah Garden bloom again, without end.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion music bless the people, yeah man. Me step barefoot on the morning dew, with chalice in hand, me trod through. Mountain breeze whisper secrets all. Me heart beat steady, me soul feel bold. Each leaf a teacher, each tree a guide. Me walk with Jah right by me side. Me nah need map, me nah need plan. Jah light me way in this blessed land. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One jar deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me sit under fig tree, light me spliff. Give thanks for life, each sacred gift. Bird them chant, river flow sweet. Me chant psalms with ancient beat. No city nice, no digital screen. Me vision clear, me soul stay clean. Meditation roll like thunder cloud. Me thoughts come low, me chant out loud. And when Babylon call, me not hear. Me dwell in peace, far from fear. Me find me joy in the roots and stone. Me build me temple from herbs alone. Me gather herbs in a woven sack. Me carry wisdom pon me back. Each leaf a blessing, each draw divine. Me connect with Jah time after time. Irie Trails where me spirit dance. Hype and herbs in a mystic trance. One draw deep, me mind set free. Me live each moment like eternity. Me blaze for the youth, them lost in town, who never feel earth underfoot ground down. Me call them to hills, call them to light. Show them stars in a darkest night. Me share me fruits, me share me flame. One world, one blood, all the same. No ego, no hate, in inna me gate, just love and vibes. Me meditate, yeah, me na follow trend. Me na wear mask, me na chase likes, me na do task. Me just chant truth like Rasta should. Me live in harmony, me life feel good. So if you seek peace, come trod with I. Will blaze a spliff beneath the sky. No hurry, no worry, just pure bliss. Each step a prayer, each puff a kiss. Zion echoes echo far and wide. We bring the roots where truth reside. One rhythm, one sound, one eternal flame. And Jah know I never walk in vain. Le 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 le.